Hey Google, turn on string lights. Hey Google, turn off string lights. In today's video I'll show you how to add smart string lights to your home along with voice control and adding it to your smart home. On this channel you'll find videos on gadgets or tech that'll hopefully help life at home go smoother, quicker or more fun in some way. If you like these kinds of videos, consider subscribing. I got these at Kmart for only $19 and as you can see there's not much that comes in the box, just the lights and the manual. Because it's a Tuya based device, you need to add it to the Tuya Smart App first before you can add it to Google Home. Reading the manual, the process is quite simple, just add it to your Wi-Fi first. For my preference I didn't like all capitals, so I changed the text. And here's how the app looks. So once it's added to Tuya Smart, now obviously you can add it to your Google Home. In my case, I had to re-link the Tuya Smart devices so that these new string lights would appear as something I can add. Once added, you can place them in any room you like. And this is how it looks with the Google Home app. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and if you've got any questions or anything you'd like to know, let me know in the comments below. Hey Google, turn off string lights. Hey Google, turn on string lights.
Okay, turning the Anko Smart String Lights on.
Hey Google, change string lights to blue. Hey Google, change string lights to green. Hey Google, change string lights to red.
Okay, changing the Anko Smart String Lights to red.
Hey Google, change string lights to pink.
Okay, changing the Anko Smart String Lights to pink.
Turn string lights off.